93 divided by 2. Here 2 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 2. 2 times 0, 0, 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 4, 8. To find out the multiplication table of 2, just add 2 with the previous step. 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. Right? So 2 goes into 9 how many times? So 5 times 10, so 9, 4 times, right? 4 times 2, 8. Subtract 1. Bring down these 3. 2 goes into 13 how many times? Look. 6 times 12, 7 times 14. 14 is greater, so 6 times. Right, 6 times 2, 12. If you subtract, then you are getting 1. So 46 remainder 1 is your answer. If you want to write your answer in decimal form, just take here decimal and you are allowed to take any number of zeros. Bring down the first 0. 2 goes into 10 how many times? Look, 10, 5 times 10, right? 2 goes into 10 5 times, but before the 0 there is a decimal must come to the question directly. 5 5 times to 10, subtract 0, so 46.5 is your answer.